Classroom instructions. Are you ready to learn some useful classroom instructions together? Let's start. May I come in, please?
Come in, please. Close the door, please. Stand up, please. Sit down, please. Open your books, please. Turn to page 2. Please close your books. Look at the board. Point to the words. Pack your bags, please. Clean the board, please. Don't talk in class. Don't look at the window. Look at the teacher. Turn on the light, please. Turn off the light, please.
Let's have some practices. What does the teacher say? Time's up. The answer is
Sit down, please.
What does the teacher say? Time's up. The answer is
Look at the board.
What does the teacher say? Time's up. The answer is
Please close your books.
What does the teacher say? Time's up. The answer is
Don't talk in class.
What does the teacher say? Time's up. The answer is
Stand up, please.
What does the teacher say? Time's up. The answer is
Turn on the light, please.
Wow! You're doing fantastic! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.